Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Barbie and a fashion fairy tale in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, the outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I made this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, for the hair, you can choose this one, and also this one. And you're going to color it with this color. Oops, sorry. This one. And you can copy my color code here. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the world culture clothing area, which is right here, and I'm going to wear one of the items from there. I'm going to select the skirt, and I'm going to choose skirt only, and then I'm going to apply this color, this pink color, and don't forget to change the material to glitter for all the selection. Okay, for the second selection, just color it with the same pink color. And then I'm going to go to this location and choose the skirt. And we're going to make it white for the first and also the second selection. Just make it white like this, and you're going to make it glitter. Again, just change the material to glitter. And sorry guys, sometimes my glitter is not working. But if the glitter can appear, it will be so beautiful. Okay, the next one, I'm going to go to the necklace area, and then I'm going to choose this necklace, and I'm going to color it with this light pink color for all the selection. Oops. Okay, you can color it like this. And then for the accessory, I'm going to select this bow, and then I'm going to change the toggle to type 2, and then change the material to glitter and apply the same pink color. Okay, now it's done. And then I'm going to go to the changing room, and I'm going to select the skirt, and we're going to choose layer, and again apply the same pink color and make it glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the VIP room. We need one item from there. Sorry, 2 items. Okay, I'm going to select this skirt. Okay, select this skirt, and you're going to color it with the same pink color. This pink, this one, and for the last selection, you're going to make it white. Okay, and don't forget to change the material to glitter. Okay, just make it glitter, and then I'm going to move to this area, and we're going to choose this belt. And for the belt color, we're going to make it this color, and then we're going to make the texture all glitter, the material, and we're going to do a little adjustment. Okay, guys, I'm going to go to the adjustment for this belt, and I'm going to show you the adjustment. Okay guys, and this is the adjustment for the belt. You can position it like this, rotate it like this, and then you can scale it like this. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to dress like Barbie in a fashion fairy tale. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!